Welcome to Scottsville, where the residents never leave. I mean, they'd like to leave, but they can't, because their feet are stuck to the ground with blue tack. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hello YouTubes, my population is revolting. They're standing up for their rights to stand up. I've got a fairly simple solution to this. All we need is a pair of scissors, some super glue, and some of that hard plastic packaging that you get on everything. You know, the stuff you usually rip your hand apart when you take it out. So let me show you how we're going to do this, and we will finally get our population on the layout upright. Step one then. Let's cut some little squares, roughly about 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit bigger. I did try making round, I was going to say round squares. I tried making round ones, but they're not as stable as square, so I'm going to stick to square. Great stuff about this. You really do have an endless supply of this. Everything you buy these days. And it's like getting revenge because, you know, it normally injures you. Now I have many of these little people, so this is going to take me a while, but the good thing is now that when I paint them I can immediately add some glue and get them stuck on. So I'm not going to do them all on this video, obviously. Well, I'll maybe do them all, but maybe you won't see them all getting done. So I'll just do a few for now. Since it's got our little squares now, it does feel quite flimsy, but relatively speaking, it doesn't need to be like solid plastic, and the thinner the better, because you kind of want it to disappear. Okay, next step, let's find a little victim. Let's go with this one. This is one that I painted for someone on a live stream. This is Michael. And Roseanne is here also. So we can get her a platform also. Start with Michael, because he's a good size. I'm going to use some super glue on a cocktail stick. This isn't a cocktail stick, this is a skewer. But it's easier to hold. We just need a little dot on his feet. And then plonk him on a square. And I have found that this glue sticks really well to both the prints and the plastic platform. Don't need to hold it for too long. Like so. He is done. I'll leave the glue for a wee bit longer. And I'll get on with little Roseanne for now. Find a little platform for her. Make sure to remember to glue your fingers together. That's an important part of the process. That's 2 down, so it's really quick to do this. And once you place these on your layout, you barely see the plastic. This is why we use the clear stuff, but you'll see that later in the video. I may as well carry on and get the rest of them done, and then we can place them all randomly around our little world. What a bunch of upstanding citizens. Let's get them on the layout.